Sudoku solve with patterns. Parse by color pattern to study Sudoku. It is an Excel tool that we can understand and study. Let us enjoy the process of solving Sudoku. Paste the Sudoku issue by value in the table on the left. Press the right Start button. Create notes for us. Add borders and colors to the input cells for numerical candidates in the left table. Gives the Sudoku table a thick border of blocks. Create a pattern with number 1. Enter the number 1 in the candidate input cell and press the Next button. The white cells are the cells that may contain the number 1. This white cell is alone in the block, fixed to number 1. Confirm with the Next button. In these two blocks, white cells are limited to 2 rows, so each block has a number 1 in one row. Then, the number 1 will not be entered in the right block. 5 and 4 are confirmed in these two cells. It will be 1 here. Candidate 2 pattern cannot be parsed. In the Candidate 3 pattern, only columns have white cells in this block, so you can delete Candidate 3 in this column in the Notes table on the right. In Candidate 4, this cell becomes 4. It is a 2-string kite. Candidate 5 is a pattern and cannot be parsed yet. Candidate 6 is confirmed here. 6 is fixed here except for this line. It has become a quad. Candidate 7 has 7 here. 2-string kite. Candidate 8 cannot be analyzed. Even Candidate 9 cannot be analyzed. We have analyzed the patterns from candidates 1 to 9. The Sudoku table does not contain many numbers. Get ready for a trial to break through. Move the numbers confirmed in the Notes table on the right to the Sudoku table. Now let's trial the 2-string kite in Candidate 4. Intersecting cells in the matrix do not contain the number 4. Then there are only 2 choices with the Sudoku rule. The trial is not finalized, so it will be done in the Notes table. First, determine 4 in this cell. After that, it will be determined uniquely. Press the Next button to see the Notes table. There is a naked pair with numbers 5 and 7 in the right column. 6 and 3 are determined in this column. Proceed with the next button. If the progress stops, let's look at the next candidate 5 pattern. Two cells determine the number 5. This decision was also uniquely obtained from the number 4 trials. Proceed with the next button. All cells now have numbers from 1 to 9. To check the correct answer, use the formula AutoSum. The total is 45 for both the matrix so it is correct. Now let's undo it with the undo button. Let's go back to the original with the undo button and select another cell with candidate 4. A number 4 here, a number 4 here, and a number 4 here. Populate the notes table. Proceed with the next button. Candidate 5 cannot be analyzed. Candidate 6 cannot be analyzed either. Candidate 7 has a 2-string kite. This box has a single white cell. And here will be number 7. Press the next button. Candidate 8 cannot be analyzed. Candidate 9 has 2 white cells in the left box of this white cell. Candidate 9 can be deleted from the corresponding cell in the notes table. As a result, this box leaves 2 white cells in this column. We can also delete candidate 9 in the box below it. That cell will have the number 3, and this cell will have the number 9. Proceed with the next button. There is a decision pattern for Sudoku, but it can be proven wrong because the numbers 5 and 9 already exist in the line above. In this way, with the undo button, you can study the solution until you are satisfied.